Robb Facial Plastic Surgery Medical Spa. This is Tara. How can I help you? Okay, and you'd like to make your consultation for what service? Okay, let me pull up the schedule and see when I can get you in.
Perhaps I was talking when I should have been listening.
Welcome to Robb Facial Plastic Surgery. Are you here for your consultation? Okay, can I just get your temperature, please? Okay, perfect. You can have a seat. Mia will be with you in just a few minutes.
I should have been listening.
Hi, my name's Mia. I'm going to be your nurse for today. You can come on back with me. I'm going to be right in here. You can go ahead and make yourself comfortable. Someone's going to come in to get some pictures of you and just let me know if you need anything. Hi, I'm Haley, the marketing coordinator. I'm going to go ahead and get some pictures of you if you want to follow me. We'll get those before Dr. Robb comes in. If you will go and sit on the stool for me. Awesome. So this is going to be a little flash so we can get some good before pictures of you. All right, and then just look at me. All right, those are awesome. We can go back to the room, and Dr. Robb will be in to see you in just a second. He'll be right in. We're so excited that you came.
Hey, I'm Dr. Robb. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Well, do you have any other questions? No? I answered everything? Awesome. Well, hang tight for just a minute. My patient coordinator will be right in. I hope you've enjoyed your consultation. Thank you so much for coming in, and we look forward to taking great care of you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello, I'm Rita. I'm Dr. Robb's patient coordinator. It's great to meet you. Come with me and we'll talk a little more about what good procedure you're interested in. Right here in my office. Have a seat.
Perhaps I was talking.
We look forward to assisting you through this process.
Perhaps I was talking when I should have been listening.